when it comes to rugged off-road capability. One machine has run roughshod over competitors for nearly 20 years. In 2018, Ranger grinds them into the ground with the all-new Ranger XP 1000. More rugged means more dependable, more capable to get more work done. It all starts with a massive ProStar power plant. It's made to tackle the toughest tasks with an industry-leading 82 horsepower and unmatched torque. XP 1000 turns power into productivity with the highest towing capacity ever found on a utility side-by-side. That's 25% more than the next closest competitor. There's a massive new heavy-duty clutch and 32% larger drive belt designed for maximum durability. And they're perfectly paired with a heavy-duty transmission and driveline that set the standard for strength and toughness. For guys who love to get off the grid, Ranger XP 1000 puts rugged on the map. A new one-piece chassis makes this beast more rigid, more capable of turning industry-leading suspension travel into a super smooth ride. New 6-ply 27-inch tires are taller and wider, with a larger footprint and outstanding traction. When terrain rears its ugly head, XP 1000 tames it with 13 inches of industry-leading ground clearance, 8% more than ever before. Head downhill, and the all-new standard engine braking system keeps you in total control. And you're fully protected wherever you go by the industry's largest stock front bumper and a new full-body skid plate with 50% more coverage. Under-hood air intakes help protect your engine from dirt and dust, while new fully sealed suspension bushings keep the elements out for a smooth, quiet ride year after year. Ranger XP 1000 backs up its rugged reputation with a stronger half-ton cargo box that sits on a new heavy-duty frame. The box itself is an inch deeper with 12% more volume, and it's more durable with welded steel corners, reinforced ribs, and a beefy new heavy-duty tailgate. And here's something else that's been beefed up. Every new XP 1000 rolls out with a full 12-month warranty straight from the factory. Introducing the all-new Ranger XP 1000. The hardest working, smoothest riding side-by-side in the world. More rugged, more refined, more Ranger.